Howdy folks, welcome to Wonder Eats. Today we're at Raihan Nasi Kandar. This is another impromptu stop. So I'm just filming this on my mobile phone, the Samsung S10. And today I'm going to try something very unique, which is I'm going to edit this video entirely on my Samsung S10. So let's see whether this is achievable and how's the output like. So anyway, Raihan Nasi Kandar is located at Glenmarie, and this place was introduced to me by my friend, and supposed to be one of the better Nasi Kandar around the area. So far I've been inside and the food looks amazing, so let's head on in. You can see all the curries, plenty of choices. Ladies fingers, which I took, a lot of vegetables, and papadums. And what's great about this place is that biryani rice there, and that fried chicken. Wow, this is amazing. Take some of the onions and sprinkle some of that on top. It's perfect. As you can see, there's plenty of seating. Cool. Here we have our meal. There's a fried chicken. There's the onions and some ladies fingers at Raihan Nasi Kandar, Glenmarie. Alright. Wow, it's the chicken. My friend agrees, it's very, very good. Alright. Have some of the lady fingers. My friend was saying this is one of the better Nasi Kandar around the area. I think I agree with him. So, thumbs up. So, that was a great meal. So in the area, in Glenmarie, do drop by Raihan and give it a try. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.